Welcome back. Now, when you enter Sora for the first time and you don't know exactly what to create, one of the things that you can do is you can go to the Feature tab and you can look at some of the videos and the prompts that have been used to create them. For example, if you were to state that you like one specific video, you're going to see this prompt was used to create this specific video. You can go back to the dashboard. You can see some of the most recent videos that have been created. You want to click on this video. And in some cases, you may be able to tell what prompt was used. In this case, a prompt in another language was used. You can continue to click on certain elements to determine how some of the videos are created so that you can determine how you want to create your own. We're going to start the process by writing in a query. It's probably not the way we want the video to appear, so we're going to click on top of this video. And what we're going to do is we're going to remix the video. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the video. In this case, we're going to say that we want a mild change. We're only going to have one variation. And you'll notice now that we have 50 credits. We're going to check our credits here. We still have enough credits. We're going to go ahead and remix this part of the video. And we're going to create a new video. That video is now ready. So we're going to look at the new video. It still really isn't what we want. And it may be because we've chosen the wrong orientation. So we're going to remix this. We're going to change the prompt. We're going to change the aspect ratio. We're going to shorten the clip and use one variation. This is only going to use 25 of our credits. So we're going to go ahead and storyboard this video to see if we can get the video to change its orientation. So our new video is now ready. And this is more of what we want for this specific clip. So now that we have a clip, what we're going to do is we're going to try to create another clip in order to combine with this clip. So we're going to angle out of this specific element, and we're now going to create another clip. We're going to create it in widescreen and landscape. And we're now going to create this new clip, and we're going to create a new landscape clip. So we now have our new element, and we have our next image. So now what we want to do is we want to combine these two images. So what we want to do is we want to come into this element, and what we want to do is we want to blend this with a video that we have already created from our library. So we want to choose from our library, and we want to choose the landscape image that we created. So we're going to use the transition blend. So we're not going to use sample or mix. We're just going to use the default setting, which is the transition blend. We're only going to have one variation, and we'll see what this video will cost us in terms of credits. We'll now blend these two videos together, and we're going to add that video to the queue. Blended video is now ready. We're going to look at our blended video. And that's probably not exactly the way we want the video to appear. So what we're going to do is we want to try to get our city to appear inside of the globe. So we're going to describe some of the changes that we want to make. So our blended video is now ready. We're going to look at it. And the blend kind of worked. It might be a better idea for us to try to attempt to create this video from scratch. So we're going to stop this video here, and we're going to pick it up from creating a snow globe with this city from scratch.